just want to say thank you so much for the love, for the support, for the warm welcome. Remember the moment I told you guys that I was just expecting 10 people to welcome me at the airport. But that 10 people became 10 times more. So once again, maraming salamat po to all the people who supported, believed, and of course who came here. To all our media friends, kahit na mainit, nandito po kayo lahat to support us. Of course, to my Luchi Celestials! And again, to my fellow Sultan Codarateños, and to all the fellow Filipinos, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And also to SM Molovation for welcoming us here. And of course, Ember Philippines for organizing this beautiful grand parade here in Manila. Again, maraming salamat po. At mabuhay tayong lahat!